Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Jump! Mickey jumps 1 space. Minnie jumps 1 space. Goofy jumps 2 spaces. Donald jumps 3 spaces. Daisy jumps 2 spaces. She jumps 2 more spaces. I win, says Daisy. You jumped 2 times, says Donald. Only jump 1 time. But I love to jump, says Daisy. Let's all jump more. There is 1 jumping stick. Clarabelle jumps high. There are 2 jump ropes. Minnie and Daisy jump. There are 3 basketballs. Donald, Goofy, and Mickey jump for the basket. Pluto jumps for 1 tasty treat. 3, 2, 1. To jump is fun, says Mickey. Super cheers! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you all next time.